Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Cathy Grace Arinabo. I'm 29 years old and I live in Pamplona, Cagayan, Philippines. I am married and I have one child. My job experience is I work as a babysitter here in the Philippines. I took care of two children who is 6 years old and 2 years old. I take a bath of them, I cook food for them and feed them. And when the children are asleep, I do the household chores like cleaning the house and do the laundry. I also work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. I finished my contract there for 2 years. There are 6 family members, my mom, my sir, and their 4 children, who is 20 years old, 16 years old, 14 years old, and 10 years old. My work there is to clean their house, cook their food, do the dishes, wash their clothes, and iron their clothes too. So, to my future employer, I promise to do my job and responsibility. Thank you.